To pass the NCLEX after failing, it's crucial to follow an organized method. Many repeat test takers overlook the importance of understanding the combined factors that enhance success. Instead of trying random strategies, focus on a structured approach that addresses your weaknesses and builds a solid foundation for the exam. Passing the NCLEX requires understanding the entire process, not just isolated strategies. Many fail because they switch methods without analyzing past attempts. A solid foundation is crucial. Each failure highlights gaps in this foundation. Identifying and addressing all contributing factors is essential for success. Let's explore these factors in detail to build a comprehensive approach.
To pass the NCLEX, it's crucial to understand the process and factors involved. A solid foundation is key, and each failure highlights weaknesses in this foundation. Many fail because they don't review their candidate performance report, CPR results, often due to emotional reasons. Evaluating these results is essential for identifying areas needing improvement. Understanding why you didn't pass the National Council licensure examination is crucial. Many repeat test takers fail because they avoid reviewing their candidate performance report results. This report highlights areas needing improvement. Emotional barriers often prevent this review, but it's essential for identifying weaknesses and retraining your approach. Embrace this step to transform failure into success. Ignoring your candidate performance report is a critical error. Focus on below-passing areas to identify weaknesses. Prioritize understanding the content over practice questions. Comprehension is key, as questions alone won't improve your grasp. Address these areas thoroughly to enhance your performance. Let's examine a real example to illustrate this approach. A student received below passing in psychosocial integrity. Initially, she planned to change strategies and retake the exam quickly. However, with guidance, she reviewed her weak areas and reapplied her previous strategy. She passed the next time. Success involves multiple factors, including studying the right information, using effective strategies, and allocating sufficient study time. Many students rush to retake exams without adequate preparation, often leading to repeated failure. It's crucial to spend 1-2 months studying to truly understand and retain the content. Nursing requires the ability to articulate knowledge, not just memorize it. Can you confidently explain congestive heart failure, its pathophysiology, and interventions without external help? If you struggle to recall congestive heart failure details, it indicates a weak foundation. Recognizing signs, symptoms, risk factors, and medications beyond LASIX is crucial. Congestive heart failure is a fundamental topic every nurse must master to succeed in the National Council licensure examination. Strengthening this knowledge is essential for your nursing career. Introducing the level up method, essential for mastering the NCLEX. It begins with the patho level, focusing on anatomy, physiology, and pathophysiology of 89 key diseases. Next, the content level covers treatment, pharmacological therapies, and interventions. This comprehensive understanding is crucial for physiological adaptation and health promotion on the exam. The nursing level focuses on thinking like a nurse, understanding the registered nurse or licensed practical nurse role, and applying the clinical judgment model. It involves recognizing complications, managing risks, prioritizing, delegating tasks, and ensuring patient care and comfort. Mastery of these skills is crucial for the National Council licensure examination for registered nurses and National Council licensure examination for practical nurses exams covering all 8 categories. The final level, test-taking level, is crucial for NCLEX success. Many fail by rushing here, neglecting prior levels. This stage focuses on honing critical thinking and test-taking skills, understanding questions swiftly, and effectively breaking them down. Mastery of previous levels is essential, otherwise repeated attempts at the NCLEX are inevitable. The patho level is crucial for NCLEX success, yet often forgotten by repeat test takers. It involves understanding normal body functions and how diseases alter them. Without grasping basic anatomy and physiology, retaining information on conditions like congestive heart failure becomes challenging. Mastering this foundational knowledge is essential for effectively answering NCLEX questions. Our NCLEX Success Refresher System offers a comprehensive approach to mastering the exam. It includes a step-by-step system, video and audio tutorials, visual content, assessments with rationales, and downloadable cheat sheets. Plus, our 700 question bank provides practice questions with lessons on breaking down NCLEX questions effectively. Our NCLEX Success Refresher system offers a comprehensive approach to mastering the exam. It includes a step-by-step system, video and audio tutorials, visual content, assessments with rationales, and downloadable cheat sheets. Plus, our 700 question bank with video and audio lessons ensures you can effectively break down NCLEX questions. Our NCLEX Success system empowers you to take control of your nursing career. With comprehensive resources and expert guidance, you'll be equipped to excel in your exams and secure your future in nursing. Join us today and transform your aspirations into reality.